In this video, we will see how to cross-reference an element. So, we have our detail element here. So what we're going to do first is go to Cost Center, to Element Maintenance in the Chart Master menu, enter our element, and once it has been entered, we're going to go ahead and cross-reference the element. So we'll click on cross-reference, and then we'll go to the element type we want to cross-reference to. So in this example, we want to cross-reference the account. We're going to click on the spyglass and then look for the accounts that we want to cross-reference. So we can select the accounts and then click OK and save. At that point, the element will be cross-referenced to that element type and to the accounts that were selected. We have to do this for all the element types for which we want or we need to define cross-references according to the cross-reference pair control that we have defined. So sometimes we might have to do cross-reference for all the elements if that's the level of control we have, or just for the elements for which we are controlling. So say for example, cost center would have cross-reference with account and perhaps with AFE and bill code, for example. But not with, say, department and miscellaneous. So depending on the pairs that are being controlled, that's the cross-references that you should define. Another way to do it that might be faster is to copy. So you would click on the copy button and you would select another click on this spyglass and you would select another cost center that is similar to this one or equal in terms of cross-referencing, and then copy. And at that point, the cross-references for all the element combinations for that other element we selected will be copied over to our new cost center that we are creating. Another way we can use this copy feature is maybe we're not going to select an existing actual cost center, but we have defined a template cost center as an example, so that whenever we create a new cost center, we simply go and look for the cost center template and copy from it. That's used a lot, say for example, for AFEs, right? So we have, say, a CapEx AFE, and we might have G&A and AFEs, which have different accounts that are cross-referenced. So what we have is a template for CapEx AFE and another for G&A AFEs. And then when we have a CapEx AFE that we create, we simply go and copy the cross-references from the CapEx AFE template. When we have a G&A AFE, we simply copy the cross-references from the G&A AFE template. Of course, for that we should have created the templates in the system already.